Graph f of x equals the square root of the quantity 9 minus x squared. To graph, we'll replace f of x with y in the function. So we have y is equal to the square root of 9 minus x squared. We'll then square both sides, so we have y squared is equal to the square root of 9 minus x squared, all squared, which simplifies to y squared is equal to 9 minus x squared. By adding x squared to both sides of the equation, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. This is the equation of a circle with center at the origin and radius of 3. Now, since f of x represents the principal square root, f of x must be non-negative, and thus the graph is restricted to the upper half of the circle. To graph, we'll first label our coordinate grid, letting each dotted line represent 1 unit. So the minimum on each axis is -6, and the maximum is 6. We'll then graph the upper half of the circle with radius 3 and center at the origin.